If you also wish to send custom offers to your customers through WhatsApp without getting blocked, then you definitely need this video. In this video, I will show you how I have created this WhatsApp broadcast inside my Pabbly Chatflow account to send custom offers to my customers. Now, first of all, we will go to my screen and there we will see the step-by-step process of creation of this WhatsApp broadcast. At first, I will show you how this broadcast will look when you will send it to your customer. For that, I will open my WhatsApp account, and inside my PC, this message couldn't load. So that's why I have attached this screenshot in here, and you can see the text is written here. Hello Jaitripati, you recently showed interest in our product at Nova Mart Furnishing. We have a special offer just for you, up to 30% off on selected sofas, free delivery this weekend, easy EMI options available. Reply with options below. We'll guide you instantly based on your choice. And here I have also got these different options like browse sofas, check beds, and if I will click on this see all options, I have got these two more options, office furniture and talk to sales. So this is how our broadcast will look to our customers when we will send it to them, and they can also reply to us on this particular message by clicking on any of these following options. Now let us learn to schedule this broadcast inside our Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, let me take you to the broadcast of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, we have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. This will get us directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where on the top right corner you can see we have got these two different options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user at Pabbly Chatflow, you have to press this sign up free button to create a free account. By creating your free account, you can get 100 free credits every month that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user. With the help of these 100 credits, you can easily explore our application, and if you end up liking our application like most of our users do, then if you wish to have more credits, then you can simply buy the yearly or lifetime subscription of Pabbly by using my coupon code available in the description box to get an exciting discount. But if you are already a Pabbly member like me, then we have to press this sign in button to get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. In here we have got these 7 amazing and powerful applications. From here we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow to get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Inside this dashboard on the right corner, my number is visible to you. So in order to use Pabbly Chatflow, at first you have to add your WhatsApp number in here, and you can do that by clicking on this button, and you can select any of these following methods: WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. On this left column you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. If you wish to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out those videos that I have added for you in the description box. But if you have already added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then to start creating a broadcast, we have to click on this broadcast given on the left column here. Inside this broadcast page, these are all the broadcasts that I have created and scheduled for my business. And to start creating a new broadcast, we have to press this add broadcast button. And inside this page, we can start creating our WhatsApp broadcast. So at first, let me tell you what all things are that you need to create this WhatsApp broadcast. First of all, you need a contact list for yourself with all the contacts to which you want to send this broadcast. And the second thing that you need is a template that you can also create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have created your template and contact list, then you can directly start creating this broadcast. But if you are not ready with those things, then in this video, I will also help you create a contact list for yourself and also create a WhatsApp template for yourself. But before that, let us select some of these following fields. First of all, for this broadcast type, we have to select this broadcast campaign, and then in here we have to give a name to our broadcast. So I will give a name to my broadcast as this interest based offer blast Nova Mart, and then in here we have to select a contact list to which we want to send our broadcast. So from this list you can see these are all the contact lists that I have created for myself. Now let me first select the contact list to which I want to send this broadcast, and then I will show you how you can create a contact list for yourself. So I will select this list, and in here you can also select multiple lists. But if you want to send this broadcast to all of your list, then you can simply have to click on this select all contact list, and then these all of the contact lists that you have created inside your Pabbly Chatflow account will get selected at once inside the select contact list. Here I have selected my contact list. Now let me show you how you can create a contact list for yourself. So to create a contact list for yourself, you have to click on this contacts, but I will not click on that. I will just duplicate this page from here, because by directly clicking on this contact list, I will lose the progress that I have made here. So I have duplicated this page. Now inside this new page, I will just click on this contacts. And in here, at first you have to add contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. For that, you have to press this add contacts button given on the right side, and you can either add single contacts one by one, or if you want to add bulk contacts, then upload a CSV file in here with a 50 MB size limit and a maximum of 2 lakh contacts. And after adding your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, to create a list, you have to click on this plus button, give a name to your list, add tags if you want, select the opted status, select incoming status, and then simply press this add button. Then you will see that a contact list has got created successfully, which you can use inside your broadcast. So now let us go back, and in here we have to select this message type. For this, we have got these two different options: pre-approved template message and this regular message. If I will go with this pre-approved template message, in here I have to select a template that I can also create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and get it approved by Meta. But if I will go with this regular message, then in here I can directly send the message which I want to send to my customer. I am not required to create any template for myself. But there is a limitation with this method, that I can send this text message to only those customers who were active with me for the past 24 hours. But there is no such limitations with this pre-approved template message. You can send broadcast by this particular method to any of your customer easily. Now we have to select our WhatsApp template. For that, we have to press this select WhatsApp template button, and in here this is the template that I have created to be sent to my customer. So I will click on this template, and you can see this is the exact same template that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. Now inside this template, I have created these two different dynamic fields, this name and this offer percent. So inside this body field 1, in front of this name, I will just add this $sign to convert this name into a $sign name contact custom field, which I have created to store the names given by my customer. Now as soon as I will send this template to my customer, automatically their name will get mapped in place of this $sign name. Inside this body field 2, we have to enter the percent of discount which we want to give to our customer. In here I have added this 30%, but if I want, I can also make it 50%. So here I have added this as a 50%, and now I'll press this done button. Here we have also selected a template, and now let me show you how you can create a template for yourself if you have not already created. So for that, when you are inside the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, you have to click on this template and select this template list. Inside this page, you have to press this add template button to start creating a template for yourself. Now first of all, you have to select the category among this marketing, utility and authentication, and so I will select this marketing as my category. Then we have to name our template, and to name our template there is a condition that name can only be in lowercase alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. Here this example is also given to us, so I will just copy this example from here and I will paste it in here. You can see how I have successfully added the template name. Now from this language box, we can select the language of our template. So I will select my language as this English, and then I will move towards this template type. For this template type, I can either select as text, image, video, document, or anything else from here. And after selecting my template type, if I want, I can add header. So I will enter the header inside this box like this hello. You can see this is how our header will look to our customer. Inside this format, I will enter this text. This is a test, and this is how the format of our template will look to our customer. Inside this footer, if you want, you can also add the footer like this. So you can see this is how our whole template will look to our customer. Inside this format, if you want to create a dynamic field like me, then you just have to enter this particular text, and then in mid of these two different curly brackets, you just have to enter any number like 1, and as soon as you will enter this number, you can see this dynamic field is added successfully. Inside the sample value, we have to enter this name, and here our dynamic field where we can add the name of our customer is already. Now for this interactive actions, we have got these 4 different options: none, call to actions, quick replies, and all. So if you want to set quick call to actions, then click on this, and in here you can enter the link of your website. Inside this button title, you can add any text like shop now, buy now, or anything as per your preference. If you want your customer to call you, add your number inside this box and enter the text here, call me. Then your customer will be able to call you directly from here. If you want to add quick replies like me, then you have to click on this button, and then in here you can enter anything like this interested. Then your customer will be able to click on this button to give a reply to you. So if you want to select any of these interactive actions, select them, and then finally we have to submit this template for approval by Meta. For that, we have to press this submit button, and then Meta can take whatever amount of time as per their policy to approve your template. And once your template is approved, you can easily use your template inside your broadcast. So now Now let us go back inside our broadcast, and now we just have to test our broadcast. So to test it, inside this box I have to enter my number, and in here I have to enter the name. So I will enter the name. Now inside this box I will enter the number, and now I'll press this send test message button. Then this particular template will get delivered to my WhatsApp account. I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see this message couldn't load. That's why I have attached this particular screenshot for you guys. Inside this screenshot you can see all the details that I have added here are got mapped successfully, and my name Jai Tripathi is also visible. So this means that the broadcast that we are scheduling is looking all fine. So let us go back, and now we just have to schedule this broadcast. We can either schedule this broadcast for later by clicking on this yes button, or we can send it instantly by clicking on this no button. So if you want to send it instantly, click on this no and then press this add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule it for later, click on this yes button. From this calendar here, select the date and time on which you want to schedule this broadcast. So I will select the date as 31st of January 2026, and I will select the time as 10 p.m. and then I'll click on this OK button. Now I just have to click on this add broadcast button. Then our broadcast will get scheduled successfully for this particular date, 31st of January 2026 at 10 p.m. Here I have successfully demonstrated how you can schedule this broadcast for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now I have done my work, and it is your time to do your work now. So you just have to do three simple things. First, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your closest friend. Second, do a comment below this video on which topic do you want to see videos from us. And you can do one more thing to schedule such amazing broadcasts seamlessly. You can buy the yearly or lifetime subscription plan of Pabbly by using my coupon code for an exciting discount available in the description box of this video. So go and grab your offer right now. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.